So today what we'll do is once again we'll go with nines and tens complement. Okay, nines and tens complement, and we'll see nines complement, nines complement method of subtraction, addition. Are you able to hear my voice? Am I audible to you? Okay. So, and also tens complement method of subtraction. Okay, we'll see this, and later we'll go into signed and unsigned numbers. Okay, so we all know that if I ask you to find the nines complement of a number 3, 4, 6, 5. Simply what you will do, 9, 9, 9, 9, you'll take minus 3, 4, 6, 5. You will find out 6, 5, 3, 4. It is nines complement. Okay, nines complement. So in the same way, if I ask you to find out the nines complement of 782.54. So what is the nines complement of this one? Can you tell me quickly? 999.54 minus 999.99 minus 782.54. So what is the answer that you are getting here? So this is 9. This is 9. 5, 4, okay, 7, 1, and this is 2. Okay. So this is the nines complement. You all know what is nines complement. Now, to find out the tens complement of the same number, what you need to do is for the nines complement, you are adding 1. This is becoming the tens complement. 5, 3, what is this? 5, 6. This is nothing but the tens complement. Okay. So if I ask you to find out the tens complement of a number, so 4069, can you quickly do it and tell me? 4069, okay? Find out the tens complement, okay? So what you will do, you will find the nines complement plus 1, okay? You will get the answer. Quickly do it and tell me the answer. Very good. 5, 9, 3, 1 is the answer. I want quick answers. Ever fast ga cheptara chuddam. Okay. In the same way, if I ask you to find out the tens complement of 1056.074, so what is the answer? Tens complement of 1056.074. What is the answer? Quickly, let me check. See who will tell the answer first. Eight, 9, 4.9925. Yes, very good. Okay. So see, addition in this nines complement adding is very easy. But if I have given you a number. I asked you to find out the nines complement or tens complement. It is very easy. but I am giving you two numbers x and y. I am asking you to subtract using this complements and enduku anante to make the subtraction easy. Okay, I am giving two numbers. I am asking you to subtract using nines complement method. Okay, using nines complement method. So what subtraction using nines complement method. So let us suppose I am giving x is equal to 745.81 and y is equal to 436.62. Now you have to subtract using these two numbers using nines complement. How will you do this? How will you do this? So నేను చెప్తాను. I will tell you the steps. You tell me the answer. Okay. First thing is you take this number. Okay. 745. This is okay. You take y and find the nines complement. Okay. You find the nines complement of this particular number. And whatever the intermediate result you are getting, this is the intermediate result after the nines complement. So you need to add if you get a carry here, you need to add a carry and find out the result. అర్థమైందా? సరే ఒకటి చేసి చూపిస్తాను మీకు. So this one I will do. So see here, after subtraction ఇక్కడ sign కూడా it is very important. Okay, 745.81 minus 436.62. Okay, I need to subtract using nines complement. Nines complement method lo subtraction cheyalante first thing is you take 745.81, you keep as it is. దీనికి ఏంటిదంటే for this number you take the what is the nines complement of 436.52. You take the nines complement of 436.52. So nines complement of this is equal to 999.99. Okay, 9999 minus 436.52. So what is the answer you got? I am taking your answer. It is 563.37. Okay. So this is nothing but the nines complement of 436.62. 436.62. Okay. This you will put it here. Okay. What is this? 563.37. Okay. So what is the if you are adding these two things, ఈ రెండు add చేస్తే what is the result that you are getting? You add these two, what is the result you are getting? Okay, add and tell me. 1 and 7 is 8, 8 and 3 is 11, 5 and 3 is 8, 9, then 4 and 6 is 10. What is this? Okay, so we will ignore the last bit. This is called as end around carry. Okay, this is called as end around carry. So this end around carry, what we will do is we need to bring it here. Okay, so ignore this end around carry, bring it to here. If you are adding this carry here, what is the result that you will get? 309.19 is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. So if I ask you to find out the nines complement of any number, so what you need to do, first thing is you need first thing is you need to, for the y. Okay, second number you take the nines complement. Okay, so you will get and add here. Okay, and add, you will get the result. This is intermediate result. So to this intermediate result, whatever the carry is there, you add the carry here, you will get the answer. Okay, you will get the answer. So see here, carry is indicating it is a positive, sign is positive. If there is a carry, okay, if you are getting any carry, so the result is positive result. If you are if you are getting no carry, if there is no carry, so the result is negative. Okay, carry unte result is positive. If there is no carry, result is negative. అర్థమైందా ఇది ప్రొసీజర్? నైన్స్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఎలా చేయాలో, నైన్స్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ సబ్స్ట్రాక్షన్ ఎలా చేయాలో అర్థమైందా? Did you understand the procedure? Yes, good. ఓకే, నేను ఇప్పుడు ఒకటి ఇస్తాను, మీరు చేయండి. ముందే చెప్పాను, if you are getting carry, result is positive. If you are not getting any carry, result is negative. Okay, so now do this. 436.92 minus 745.81 using 9's complement. Subtract using 9's complement. Quickly do it and tell me the result. That's it. Okay. So no need of intermediate, etc., etc., all those things. So just tell me the answer. Minus 691 కాదు, you will get minus 690.80. Do it, check it once. So it is 690.80. You will get the answer, and the sign is negative. 3.80. The answer. Okay. So next one is, we'll go to the tens complement subtraction. Tens complement subtraction. Okay. So in tens complement method, like same what we have to do. If I have given you the here, carry indicates positive result or positive answer. No carry means answer is negative result. Okay, you need to remember, and this is reverse in nines complement. Okay, reverse in nines complement. Only these things you need to remember. Okay, so what you have to do is, I will here take this example. 2928.54 minus 416. Practice కోసం నేను చేపిస్తున్నాను. Just PPT, if we scroll the PPT, that is not enough for the practice. Okay, so 4 minus 416.73. You need to subtract using tens complement. What you will get if you are subtracting using tens complement? ఏం చేయొద్దు. First step is you take this one. Okay, you take this one, find out the tens complement. Okay, find out the tens complement of this second number, and what you have to do is add to the tens complement, find out cheyandi. Second step is add to first number. Okay, so If you are getting the carry, ignore the carry. If carry, just ignore. That's it. Okay. So I will tell this one. I will explain what is the tens complement of 416.7. They'll find out just 999.99 minus 416.73. Okay. So what is the answer you got? That is the complete answer, Ashok, or it is an intermediate result? Okay, let's see. 9 minus, what is the complete answer? I think there is some mistake. Okay, Chuddhamu. Second one I will give. And I don't know whether Narayana is following or not. So what is the 9's complement? The result cheppandi naku. 6 and 2. What is this? 9 minus 6 is 3. 8 and 9 minus 4 is 5. So this is 9's complement, right? 9's complement, దీని 10's complement ఏం చేయాలి? 10's complement కి you need to add 1. So you are getting 7, 2, okay? So 5, 8, 3. Okay, this is what is the 10's complement. So 10's complement వచ్చింది కదా. Next for this 10's complement, this is the intermediate result. You need to add here. Okay, what is this? 580 3.27. Okay, so the result you got, you need to add here. So what is this? If you are adding, so what you are getting? You don't do add cheste, you will get 1, 8, 1, 1, 5, 2. Okay. Correct, na? 2511.81. Okay. So yeah, 3511.81. 3511.81. Okay, so this is the answer. So what is this? You are not getting any carry. So result is positive. Correct only. Okay, what you said is correct. So this is tens complement subtraction. So quickly we will go ahead. 0.416 0.416.73 minus 2928.54. Please do this. Answer should be your answer should be negative. That means you should not get any carry here. So tens complement of minus 928.54. Very good. 7488.18. It is positive or negative? Positive or negative? Very good. Negative. So what you need to do here to first ఈ number తీసుకొని tens complement చేయండి. What you will get tens complement అంటే first 9's complement చేయాలి. So the result which you are getting is 5, 4, and 5, 4, and this is 1, and this is 7, 0, and 7. So if you are adding 1 here to make the tens complement, you will get 7071.46. Okay. So this is tens complement, and to the tens complement, this tens complement you need to add the result 0416.73. Add just you will get 7488.19. There is no carry. Okay, there is no carry. No carry is indicating it is negative. Okay, so this is tens complement subtraction. We can stop here. Subtraction 9 is tens complement subtraction. These examples are enough. You can do anything. Okay. So ఇక్కడ ఏంటిది అని అంటే, so normally number conversion లో we have already seen binary to decimal, okay, and decimal to binary conversion, okay, and number conversion lo we have seen these are the basic conversions. Tarvata octa to hexa, hexa to oxa, hexa to octa, all these things we have done. So binary to decimal, decimal to binary conversion tarvata, so we have seen addition. Okay, binary addition. So we all know binary addition. So simply you can add, simply you can perform the addition. But remember these things: 0 plus 0 is equal to 0 in binary addition, and 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, and 1 plus 1 is equal to what? 1 plus 1 is equal to what? 0 with 1 carry. Okay, so in binary addition, similarly in binary subtraction, 0 plus 0 is 0 plus 1, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 1, 0 plus 0, sorry, plus and minus kada. So now 0 minus 0, 0 minus 1, 1 minus 0. 0 minus 0 is, in subtraction 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 1 is 0 minus 1. 0 minus ఇది 1 వస్తుంది. 0 minus 1 మీరు చెప్పాలి నాకు. 0 minus 1 1 0 నా? 1 or 0? 1 with borrow. 1 with 1 borrow. So in binary subtraction, and you know multiplication lo entante, you need to multiplication lo you need to generate the partial products ante all these things. Okay, 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1, these are all the partial products. You need to add the partial products using binary addition. So now ఒక్కసారి ఏంటిదంటే నిన్న మనం డిస్కస్ చేయలేదు division. We will see the division. Okay, so binary division, what are the things which we were skipped yesterday, so I'm just covering. Simple division, we can do it like this, simple division. So let us suppose I am taking two numbers. Okay, so what shall we take? 101. నేను ఒకటి మీకు ఇస్తాను, I will do one. Okay, 110. Okay, 101101. 101101. How do you divide? You need to take, actually 110 is greater than 101. That's why you need to take 4. Okay, you need to take 4 bits starting from MSB. Okay, so 110 ante 110. 110 ones 110. Okay, if you subtract, what you will get, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, and now 0 minus 1, tell me what you have to write. 0 minus 1 ante answer ఎంత వస్తుంది? See, here you can take 1 as borrow. Hmm. Okay, so and you drop this here. So again 110 to 1. This is 110. Okay. So what if you subtract, what you will get here? If you subtract, what you will get? You will get 100. Okay. This one you can borrow here. 100 and drop this one here. So what you will get? 1. Okay. Again 110 ones 110. Subtract చేయండి. Subtract చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది? 1 minus 1 is 1 minus 0 is 1, and here also what you get is 1. Okay, so 0 minus 1 with 1 borrow, that's it. Okay, you have borrowed here. So finally you put a what decimal, and you can add one more. You take 110 into 1 will be 110, so you will get 0. Okay, remainder will be 0. So this way you perform the division. Nothing is there. What you have to take, you have to compare the value. Okay, 3 bits మీరు తీసుకున్నారు అనుకోండి. If so you have to compare with these 3 bits. If this number, ensure that if this number is more than the first 3 bits, you take one more bit, 4 bits. Okay, you take 4 bits. You take 4 bits and perform the division normally. అర్థమైందా? You got it? నేను ఏం చేయలేదు అక్కడ, జస్ట్ యా. ఓకే, మీకు అర్థమవుతే ఐ విల్ గివ్ వన్ మోర్. సో perform the division 101 with 110.11. Okay. What is the result you are getting? To me? One zero one zero one five zero one. Tell me the result. See, here in this case, you can compare 110 and 101. If this is not if this is exceeding, you can take one more bit. Got the answer? Why are you taking so much of time? Yes, you can check your answer. What Ashok, I think. Ashok has been good. So the answer, this is the result. Okay. It is 111 point. Sorry. No, it is not. So the result is 110.11 ఇచ్చాను. Yeah. So answer is 1010.11 you should get. Check your answer. You can try in your leisure time. And we will go to two's complement. Okay. Signed numbers and how to represent the signed numbers and binary arithmetic. Okay. So representing signed numbers using twos or ones complement method. Okay. So we will see this one. So binary number means it is represented in binary numbers are represented in 1 and zeros. 1 and zeros. Okay. So any binary number you can represent in two's complement form or one's complement form. Okay, two's complement form or one's complement form. So let us suppose if I take see here to represent any number in two's complement or one's complement form. So we have two methods. Okay, we have two methods. First one is signed magnitude form. Okay, signed magnitude form. And the second one is you can go for, to represent signed numbers. So to represent signed binary numbers, we can either go for signed magnitude form or we can go for complement form. So in complement, we have two's complement and one's complement form. Okay. So see here, let us suppose if I give the number 01101. So binary number. What is the equivalent decimal number for this binary? One second. One second. Okay. So what is the equivalent of this binary number? Can what is the equivalent? What is the equivalent decimal number of this binary number? This is binary kada. What is the equivalent decimal number? ఇదేంటి దీని వాల్యూ ఏంటి 1 2 4 8 yeah, it is 13. This 13 is unsigned. Okay, this 13 is unsigned actually. Okay, if you want to find out the two's complement of this one 01101, how do you find the two's complement of this particular binary number? First, what you need to do, మీరు ones complement find out చేయండి. Ones complement of 01101 will be ones complement be equal to what? 1000. Okay, and add 1. Okay, if you are adding what you will get 11001. So this is nothing but 2's complement. Okay, 2's complement. So now, so if we take the signed, this is ones complement or two's complement representation. Now, if you take the signed magnitude representation, signed magnitude form, so I will give you one number, 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay. So this is nothing but 7. Okay. If you want to if you want to represent -7, what you need to add? You need to add one more. If you need to add one more. If you need to append this MSB with 1. Okay, 0, 1, 1, 1. So this 1 is representing the sign. This 1 is representing the negative sign. Okay, 1 is representing the negative sign. So if you see, I am giving a decimal number, binary number 10111. Okay, 10111. It is nothing but in signed minus. Is given from 10111. So for 10111 ante -7 is -7 is nothing but signed magnitude form. Okay, -7. So this is indicating the sign. Okay. So if you ఇప్పుడు దీని 2's complement తీసుకుంటే, if you take the 2's complement of this one, so the value will change definitely. Okay, 10111 ki 10111. If you take the 2's complement, what is the result if you take the 2's complement? 01000 and 101001. Okay, so the equivalent of this one is 9. Okay, other ones complement form lo ones complement of this number is what? 8. Okay, so what I am trying to tell you is, if you take any binary number, so e binary number ni if the equivalent of this binary number is equal to -7, if you represent in signed magnitude form, the binary equivalent of this number is equal to 8. The decimal equivalent of this number is equal to 8 when you represent in ones complement form. Iదే number ni if you 2's complement form lo తీసుకుంటే, it is representing an integer 9. Okay. It is representing integer 8 in ones complement, integer 9 in 2's complement. It is representing -7 in signed magnitude form. Okay, so I hope you got it. Now I will give you one more number, so one more binary digit. You tell me what is the equivalent when you represent in signed magnitude form, 2's complement form and ones complement form. Okay, I'll give you what is this? 1101010. Okay, so now you tell me the signed decimal equivalent in signed magnitude form and 2's complement form, tarvata ones complement form. ఈ బైనరీ నంబర్ ని సింపుల్ గా మీరు ఒక సైన్డ్ మాగ్నిట్యూడ్ ఫామ్ ఒక ఈక్వలెంట్ డెసిమల్ వాల్యూ రాస్తే, వాట్ ఈస్ ద వాల్యూ? Last bit you should ignore. Why? Because it is indicating the sign. Okay, if the last bit is 1, it is representing the sign, negative sign. Okay, what is the equivalent of this one? 101010 ki value 42. This -42. It is representing -42. Either ones complement lo raste, what will be the equivalent decimal number if you are writing in ones complement? 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 కదా. వన్స్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఏంటి 0 0 1 0 1 0 1. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని ఇది కాంప్లిమెంట్ కదా. సో ఈక్వలెంట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 21. వెరీ గుడ్. ఓకే, 13 కాదు గణేష్. సో నెక్స్ట్ 2's కాంప్లిమెంట్ రాయండి. టూస్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ రాయండి. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఈక్వలెంట్ ఇఫ్ యూ రైట్ ఇన్ 2's కాంప్లిమెంట్? 0 1 1 0 1 0 0. Okay, if you are writing in the this is 2's complement kada. 2's complement equivalent into what is 2's complement equivalent? It will be equal to 22. Okay, it will be 22. Very good. One binary number you can either represent represent in sign magnitude 2's complement or 1's complement form. Now one more thing we will see. ఇప్పుడు 0 1 1 0 1. Okay, so దీని signed magnitude equivalent ఏంటి? Signed magnitude equivalent 1's complement 2's complement చెప్పండి. సో ఇక్కడ చూడండి, if you see the last bit is 0. That means it is a positive number. Okay, so how do you plus 13 in signed magnitude form? 1's complement to 2's complement? ఇట్లా మిస్టేక్స్ చేస్తారని I had given you unsigned number. Okay, see ఇక్కడ ఒక concluding point ఏంటిదంటే, if you have sign at the end, if it is a signed number అయితేనే మీరు ఏం చేయాలి అంటే you have to go for 1's or 2's complement. Okay, if the number is positive, the magnitude is represented in its true binary form. Okay, and the sign bit is 0 is placed in front of the MSB. Okay, so if it is unsigned aite number positive number aite, so even if you go 1's complement form 2's complement form, no need to go 1's complement form lo kuda meer 13 తీసుకోవాలి, 2's complement form lo kuda you have to take 13. Only this 1's and 2's complement is applicable for only signed bits. Last bit 0 ఉంది, unsigned number or positive value అయితే no need to apply this 1's and 2's complement. Okay? Only if the number is negative, magnitude is represented in its 2 or 1's complement. Okay, so remember these things. So next what we will do is we will go to the PPT again. Yeah, all these things we have discussed. Binary arithmetic. See directly showing in PPT and so solving today, I think it will clear so many doubts. So that's why I made you to solve the octal and hexadecimal also we have completed. Complements ఇక్కడ ఏంటి అని అంటే base 10's complement, 2's complement, base 2 complement. These are the things we have discussed. ఇందాక చెప్పాను. Now see here, two binary numbers are given. Okay, two binary numbers are given. Before this, what is there? Tens complement already we have done. So tens complement already we have done. So now the two numbers are given. X is equal to 1 0 1 0 and y is equal to 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. Now we need to find out x minus y and y minus x using 2's complement. Okay. So what we have to do for 2's complement, we need to take the 1's complement. First thing is we need to take the 1's complement. 1's complement ki, so for this 1's complement ni, what we are doing, we are adding. Okay. So 1 0 1 0 1 0 0. So this is x and add 2's complement of y to x. Okay. So this is 2's complement of y. 2's complement of y. So you got an end carry here. After addition 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. Now whatever the carry which we are getting here, ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన carry ని ఏం చేస్తున్నారంటే you need to discard the carry. Okay, you need to discard the carry. ఇది ignore చేయండి. Ignore చేస్తే so this will be your answer. Okay, so this will be your answer. General గా normal గా if you see normally, so what is the equivalent of this one? What is the equivalent of 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 equivalent enti cheppandi, equivalent integer value. Tell me the equivalent integer value of 1 0 1 0. Cheppandi. 44 44 for y ఇది 44 అయితే y, what is y? 44 x 44 కాదు కదా, ఐ థింక్ లాస్ట్ ఇదేంటి 64 కదా. చూడండి 1 2 4 8 16 32 64 కదా. ఇక్కడ సి నాట్ సైన్డ్ అన్సైన్డ్ అని నేనేం అనట్లేదు, ఇక్కడ జస్ట్ ఎక్స్ మైనస్ వై అండ్ వై మైనస్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తున్నాను కదా. సో 84 is x, x is 84. ఓకే, y ఎంత అప్పుడు 64 67. Okay, 84 minus 67 will be equal to what? What is 84 minus 67?
17.
17. So 17. So what is the result which we are getting? ఇక్కడ 2's complement తీసుకున్న తర్వాత ఆ 2's complement ని మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత 2's complement ని మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత what we are getting the answer ఏమొస్తుంది చూడండి. what is the result here? It's 17 ఏనా? This is 17. Very good. So y అలా కూడా మీరు కంపేర్ చేసుకోండి. y minus x. Now we need to do y minus x. y minus x, what we should get actually, y minus x అయితే minus 17 రావాలనుకుంటా బహుశా. ఓకే, so y minus x, what you need to do, this is your y, 2's complement of x, 2's complement of x you need to take. సో మళ్ళీ చెప్పాను నేను 2's complement 1's complement అని. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఇస్ 2's complement of x. సో వాట్ ఇక్కడ సబ్స్ట్రాక్షన్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో when you are subtracting, so what is the result that you are getting? So it will be 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, so finally the answer which you are getting is minus 17. Okay, so ఇక్కడ చూపిస్తాను చూడండి మీకు. So this is your x, y, and this is your x. Okay, add 2's complement of x to y. So this is 2's complement of x. Add cheste, this is the result what you are getting. చూడండి కావాలంటే మీకు డౌట్ ఉంటే 101 101 011 ఇది sum. Okay, this is 2's complement. Now to find the answer y minus x, what you need to do, minus 2's complement of the sum. Okay, so ఇది whatever the sum which you are getting, దీనికి ఏం చేస్తున్నారంటే again you are subtracting the 2's complement. Okay, so ఇది two's complement of the sum తీసుకుందాం 110 1111. If you are taking the two's complement, what you will get? 0. This is 1's complement. This is 1's complement. యాక్చువల్గా మనం ఏం చేయాలి అని అంటే minus 2's complement of sum, ఇది 1's complement of sum. ఓకే, ఇది మనకు సమ్ వచ్చింది కదా, దీన్ని 1's complement. తర్వాత see here 1's complement కి 1's complement of ఇక్కడ ఏంటిది, if you check the result here, I think you got the answer, right? ఇక్కడ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చింది కదా, so it is 17. Okay, minus 17 you got the answer, right? I am also seeing the slide, చూడలేదు నేను. Simply y x after taking negative of the 2's complement is giving you the result. This sum ki, if you are taking the negative of the 2's complement, it is getting, you are getting the result. Okay, for the result you need to add the sign. Okay, that is one method. So, and we can also follow the other method which is called as r minus 1's complement. So r minus 1's complement is 1 less than r's complement. Okay, so the same thing we are taking here. So x minus y is 10, x minus y, these two numbers we are taking, 84 minus 16 we should. So what we have to do is we are taking the y. Okay, this is 1's complement of y. Okay, so ఇది y అయితే y కి 1's complement మీరు తీసుకున్నారు, తీసుకున్న తర్వాత add 1's complement of y to the x. Okay, so this is x. What is this? 1's complement of y. Add చేస్తే sum what you are getting is 16. Okay, so ఇక్కడ ఏదైతే క్యారీ ఉందో అది డిస్కార్డ్ చేయకుండా తీసుకొచ్చి ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేశారు. This is giving the answer 17. Okay, so this is giving the answer 17. This is the other method. And next one y minus x కూడా మీరు ఇదే ప్రొసీజర్ లో చేస్తే what you need to take, 1's complement తీసుకోండి x కి. ఓకే, ఇది y అయితే this is 1's complement of x. 1's complement of x తీసుకున్న తర్వాత what you have to do is, this is 1's complement of x ని y కి యాడ్ చేయండి. So you will get the result. Okay, ఈ result, whatever the result you are getting, you take again the complement. ఈ result కి మళ్ళీ again you take the complement of the result, minus sign into complement of the result. Okay, this way you can perform the subtraction. Okay, and you can go through this PPT Notepad lo I told you enough number of examples. See, PPT కంటే Notepad is the best thing. Next we will go for signed binary numbers, which we have already discussed. So 0 for positive and 1 for negative. చూడండి signed magnitude representation లో signed magnitude representing లో this is representing the sign. Okay. Signed ones complement representation of the number is, so zeros ones అయిపోతాయి, ones zeros అయిపోతాయి. Okay. The sign will be the same. Okay. మిగతా ఏంటిది అని అంటే complement అయిపోతాయి. Signed two's complement representation also, sign will not change. One is representing the sign, so sign will not change. Two's complement కాబట్టి ఒక్క బిట్ యాడ్ అవుతుంది అంతే. ఓకే, ఈ వన్స్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ కి ఓకే one bit add అవుతుంది. This is two's complement. Okay, so these are the different complements. Okay, signed two's complement, signed one's complement, and these are the signed magnitudes. ఇక్కడ చూడండి till what everything is same, till 7 వరకు everything is same. Okay, so ఇక్కడ చూడండి నెగటివ్ ఇంటీజర్స్ కి these values are changing. అంటే signed magnitude సేమ్ బైనరీ నంబర్, అదే మీరు signed magnitude లో రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తే ఒకలాగా, signed ones complement and signed two's complement లో the value is changing. ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ 1100 if we are taking, సో దాని ఈక్వలెంట్ 1100. యాక్చువల్గా 110 మీన్స్ వాట్ వి విల్ అండర్స్టాండ్ 1100 అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ 4 ఇన్ సైన్డ్ magnitude. సో సైన్డ్ టూస్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ లో సారీ ఇట్ ఈస్ -4. ఓకే, ఇట్ ఈస్ -4. సో సైన్డ్ టూస్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ లో కూడా ఇట్ ఈస్ రిప్రజెంటింగ్ -4. But if you go for signed ones complement, it is changing. Okay, 1011, it is changing. Okay, so okay. Similarly, if you take తీసుకున్నాము 1010. ఓకే, 1010 అయితే యాక్చువల్గా డెసిమల్ రిప్రజెంటేషన్ లో చూడండి 1010 నార్మల్గా డెసిమల్ రిప్రజెంటేషన్ లో వాట్ దిస్ 1010 ఇస్ రిప్రజెంటింగ్. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ ఏం లేదా 1010 అంటే ఏంటిది నార్మల్గా 1248. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ 9 యాక్చువల్లీ. ఓకే, సో ఒకవేళ నార్మల్గా అన్సైన్డ్ అయితే we will take it as 9. సో signed magnitude representation లో as this is one is representing sign కాబట్టి, so the equivalent will be equal to -2. Okay, so the equivalent will be equal to -2. Okay, so in signed magnitude form, the same 1010 if you are take 1010 in signed magnitude form lo -2. ఇదే 1010 it is representing what is this signed ones complement lo it is -5. In signed two's complement, where is 1010 here? It is representing -6. Okay, so am I making you confused or it is clear for you? It already second time చెప్పడం నేను. Am I making you confused or it is clear for all of you? No sound. Yes. So arithmetic addition already we have done with arithmetic addition. Signed binary numbers ki How to do the addition with signed binary numbers? So we will see these things and we will close. Signed binary numbers student. So what we have to do is addition of two signed binary numbers with negative numbers represented in signed 2's complement form, and how we can obtain addition of two numbers including their sign bits. Okay, so if we are taking 6 and 13, okay, both are unsigned only, so we'll give 19. Normal మీరు addition చేస్తే 19. So let us suppose ఇప్పుడు ఒకవేళ -6 plus 13, -6 plus 13 అనుకోండి. So -6 plus 13 అంటే which will be equal to +7 కదా. So in this what you are doing is you are taking the complement. -6 అని అంటే you are complementing. Okay, complement తీసుకోండి. Complement తీసుకుంటే zeros will become ones and ones will become zeros. -6 తీసుకొని +13, if you are adding, the result which you are getting is 7. Okay, so this is the what is the addition with signed binary numbers. So if you are taking +6 minus 13 ante, you need to take the complement of 13. Okay, so you will get the result as -7. Minus 2 minus ante, you take the complement of 6 and complement of 13. Okay, complement cheste you will get -19 as the result. Okay, so in arithmetic subtraction, so minus or plus or minus a minus plus b will be equal to plus or minus a plus minus b. Okay, so these things you remember. Plus or minus a minus of minus b is equal to plus or minus when minus will be equal to plus. Okay, so arithmetic subtraction lo meer em chestaru, 6 minus of minus 13 kada. So 6 minus of minus 13, minus of minus anante it will be plus only. So what you need to do, 6 plus 13. So -6 plus 13 ante, so this is 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0. So you have taken this -6 and plus 13 cheste you will get 7. Okay, so like this you you practice. I think no need to practice also. If you are understanding the concept, that is enough. ఇవన్నీ చిన్న చిన్నవే. యాక్చువల్గా ఏంటిదంటే మనకి లాజిక్ గేట్స్ కే మ్యాప్స్ నుండి కొంచెము ఏమంటారు ఫోకస్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్ ఇఫ్ యూ సీ వన్స్, దెన్ ఇట్ విల్ బి వాట్ ఈజీలీ యూ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్. దట్స్ ఇట్. ఓకే, సో విల్ if you have any doubts you can ask me. Okay, and later we will discuss BCD codes. BCD codes. Tomorrow we'll discuss about BCD codes. BCD codes ante so we have different types of codes, right? Binary codes and 2421 XS3 84 -2 -1 codes. So these are the different binary codes. Idi kuda, and the importance of gray codes. Why do we use the gray codes? And reflective codes and enti, what are the weighted codes and what are the non-weighted codes? All these things we will see in tomorrow's class. Okay, so I will end up the session now. Okay, thank you.